I grew up on a farm and learned how to paint farm wagons, tractors, and then automobiles. And then playing music on the weekends, pretty much. Moved to music full-time, got on the road and started playing.
I'm in auto restoration by Terry, that being Terry Petersen, the same artist that has graced us with some paint jobs on the cars that we've seen on PowerNation.
The rest of the band, they went into the studio, and like I said, they're really good. Myself, I was not at their level, and I knew that. So I went ahead and started a small body shop. It grew, and it kept growing. It became a monster. It started, yes. I had a customer come in the shop, and he was sent by one of my friends from the band. And he said, "Hello, my name's Alan Jackson." He said, "Well, I think I'm gonna have some success in music. I'm not sure, but I've got a '77 Ford Bronco I need to paint." And I said, "Oh, okay." Because, you know, you hear this a lot. And so I went ahead and, you know, gave him an estimate, and I started working on it. And as I'm working on the car, sanding on the car, and I'm listening to the radio in Nashville, I hear this song, and it's called Here in the Real World. And I thought, sure sounds like it.
We're in Fairview, Tennessee with painter Terry Petersen, and he's a one-man band that's been laying down color for a long time. Terry's currently in the process of blocking his sanding in this 1964 Mercedes, so in the spirit of blocking his sanding, he's gonna show me some secrets on this rear convertible cover.
What you're trying to do is find the high and low spots. Now you can already see the low spots because we put a guide coat on there, black, and it shows through. Some places you might have to refill, but that's not a big deal. At least you know they're there,
yeah.
Rather than, it's too late once you start painting.
So do you do the whole process?
The
and
whole
then
process.
Go back and fix it after that?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And then you might have to re-block again, and you know, re-prime. I use a lacquer-based spray can, very lightly mist over the gray primer. A painter they'll like rock and roll. They'll go like this, back and forth. You want to go like.
I got you.
As I get older, it gets a little harder to do, but I still enjoy it because it is a challenge, and as long as the people like it, I probably will keep doing it. Watching them white lines, reading them road signs. It's a lonely 15 days I've been gone, gone, gone. Watching them white lines, reading them road signs. Tomorrow night I know I'm gonna be home.
Thanks, Katie. Terry's currently in the